Cole Thompson and summer student internship, distribution and collection. I really enjoyed my time here. I think it was a great learning experience, just a great uh, for work experience overall. I really enjoyed the people here, and I think it was a great job. I learned how to fix and repair hydrants. I learned how to help with sucking on back trucks. I learned how to dead end flush, and then I learned how be more cooperative with other people and share my understandings with them as well. I think the biggest thing was learning how to fix hydrants because I did that it was like my first week on site. And I think doing that was really beneficial because then I had like an understanding of what I need to do for like, and how the hydrants work for dead end flushing and like flushing. So I think that was the best part. Sometimes I had a little bit of challenges where it was like finding the right tools or understanding people, but then I would just always confirm with them. I think one of my future goals is definitely to find a job where I enjoy and that can make me happy and that I like to do that works well with other people. And I think this is a really good job for that. So I think maybe just to get hired on here next year. I don't think so. I think you guys have everything really set up well here. Yes, above my expectations. Thank you for letting me be able to have this experience.
Hi, my name is Caitlin Brown, and I'm a summer student at the distribution and collection shop. It was really good. It was an amazing opportunity, and I worked with like some awesome people, and I learned like a crazy amount of information. I got quite the list here for you, but I started off the summer with doing some maintenance on our air release and valve chambers around the city and in the county. And I did some hydrant flushing. I learned about our lift stations that we have at all our low points to lift sewer from like low points to higher points so we don't back up our sewer. Then I did a meter exchange and I did a meter install, and I've done some water off ons, and I've done letter delivery. I did some meter reads too. But everything I got to do was super interesting and super cool to learn. It's similar to my biggest highlight actually, but getting used to doing something completely new and different was a big adjustment. But a couple weeks in, I was good to go. I plan to, in the next couple years, go to trade school in Fairview to be a heavy-duty mechanic, is the goal as of right now. I actually really enjoyed the program how it is, so I wouldn't really change anything. It actually went above my expectations. I was expecting more of a shop-based job for some reason. When I discovered that I got to go out and do a whole bunch of stuff, it was better than I was expecting.
I'm Riley Reed. My position is a summer student intern at the DC shop. It was good. I got to experience quite a few different crews. I got to move around quite a bit and learn how everything kind of functions and how everybody works together here at the DC shop. The main things that I did was hydrant flushing and working with the dig crew, and that kind of helped me learn more about how the water system works and how the hydrants function, and being able to repair them let me learn more about hydrants instead of just looking at a hydrant and being like, oh, there's a hydrant. I actually know how they work now. Biggest highlight would be just kind of getting to know all the different crews. So because I got to move around quite a bit, I got to see more than one area of work and what they do at the DC shop. Just the heat. It was a hot summer. My future plans, I hope to continue my research at the university. My goals, I'm still not sure of yet, but I'd like to continue my research. My research is in the field of medicine, and my topic will be on type 1 diabetes. Yeah, for sure, it definitely did.
I'm Chase Dahl, and I am operator at the collection distribution facility of Aquaterra. Oh yeah, it's valuable. It definitely gives young people kind of dipping their toe in the industry a better feel for it. They definitely get to see kind of more what's going on, what to expect, if it's something they want to keep pursuing, kind of a thing, or if it's not what they thought it was at all. It just gives them that opportunity to test it out. So it's a good thing. Every student learns differently, so you just kind of gotta, figure out your student to make sure that break it down so that they're grasping the scenario, kind of a thing. That's kind of the biggest thing with the students. I think the program's great. I enjoy having people come around, see what's going on, and I think it's a good thing to keep pursuing.